Hello, I'm Michelle Wei. I'll be presenting the 2026 National Guild of Hypnotists Convention that's happening August 7th through the 9th in Marlborough, Massachusetts. On Saturday, 8 a.m., join me for my presentation of Hypnosis for Allergy Relief. In this session, you will discover how the subconscious mind influences the body's allergic responses and how hypnosis can be used to calm the immune system. Then on Sunday, 3 p.m., I will be presenting Hypnosis Influences Gene Expression. In this session, we will explore how the subconscious mind can influence cellular healing for pain relief and other health issues. This workshop will expand your perspective on what's possible through the subconscious mind by influencing how genes are expressed. This 3-day NGH convention is an event you don't want to miss, filled with learning, opportunities, and networking. I look forward to seeing you then, and I hope you will join me at my presentations.